Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can create a system restore point in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, and also we will talk about the benefits of creating a restore point in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. Okay, so let's go do that, and please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. Okay, so the reason we make restore point is to save the computer so that when something happens to our computer, you can restore back to the same settings, and whatever the files that you have saved, that will be also saved. So it's the same as undoing the actions that we made. For example, currently my computer is working fine, absolutely fine, and I'm going to install a certain software or a certain application or program, and I'm going to make a restore point in my computer so that when anything happens, I can still go back, I can still restore back to the normal or to the earlier setting that I have. Okay, and so to do that, let's go to the Windows search tab and there type create. And under best match, you will see the option that says create a restore point. So please do make a click on that. And once you do that, this window will be up on your screen. So here you will see under System Protection tab, in the bottom part you will see a create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. This is an option, and you will see the create button here. So all you have to do to create that restore point is to click on this create button, and you will see this small window popping up on your screen. So this system protection, create a restore point type, a description to help you identify the restore point. So the current date and time are added automatically. So I recommend you to give a name according to the date today or the date that you made this restore point. So today is March 28, 2025. So I will type here 28 March 2025 and then go click on create. And then this will start loading. It's now creating a restore point. And once you see in the desktop that there's a notification that says the restore point has successfully been created, then you can now make a quick restart with your device. Okay, and that's how you do it. I hope you follow the process accordingly, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.